Hi, Paulina Peachey here, and this is our shop, Lentils and Lather, located on 50 Burton Road.
So we're all about helping people to reduce plastic waste and shop more sustainably. And we'd like to invite you guys in to take a look around and talk about some of the products we sell. So we've got three main areas in our shop that we want to talk about. We've got food and drink, we've got an area that we call personal care, and then we've got loads of household products. So we'd like to just run through quickly what is those products are. In our personal care area you can buy lots of different things such as soaps, shampoo bars, dental stuff, face creams, and also we've got refillable area where you can bring your shampoo bottle and your conditioner bottle to refill and reuse.
In the food area we've got lots of different types of foods. We've got a lot of different types of flours, quite a nice variety of breakfast, pasta, everybody's favourite snack area. We've got a lot of sweet or savoury snacks. We also have quite a nice variety of dried fruits and seeds, herbs and spices. Here we've got fantastic pasta that's made in UK and it's organic. We also sell nutritional yeast or soya mince, amongst other things.
So the idea is for you to bring your container from home, weigh, fill and pay.
We work with a lot of very small businesses that are dotted all around Northern England or even UK.
So in our household section we sell a brand called Minimal, who are really good. They're based just over the hill in West Yorkshire and they provide us with lots of liquid in these kind of containers. They take them back to refill and reuse, thus reducing the amount of plastic. So we sell a brand called Lost Coffee. These guys are based in Chorlton. They've got really good links with the growers and producers over in Colombia, so they pay a fair wage to the people.
Very ethical company. We have to mention Future Taste of Chocolate. These guys are also living locally and they're providing us with fantastic vegan and gluten-free truffles.